Standard 6 Subject English Tenses Past, Present and Future. What is tense? Tense is equal to time. टेन्स आपण टाइम म्हणजेच वेळ रेफर करण्यासाठी वापरतो आणि वेळ ही 3 प्रकारची आहे म्हणून टेन्स ही 3 प्रकारचे आहेत. प्रेझेंट टेन्स, पास्ट टेन्स, फ्युचर टेन्स आर द टाइप्स ऑफ टेन्स. चालू गोष्टी सांगण्यासाठी प्रेझेंट टेन्स म्हणजेच वर्तमान काळाचा उपयोग होतो. घडून गेलेल्या गोष्टी सांगण्यासाठी पास्ट टेन्स म्हणजेच भूतकाळाचा उपयोग होतो आणि भविष्यात घडणाऱ्या गोष्टी सांगण्यासाठी फ्युचर टेन्स म्हणजेच भविष्यकाळाचा उपयोग केला जातो. Tense indicates the time of action or an event. Verbs in simple present tense indicate habits and general truths. In this case, the verb simply ends with s or es. For example, Jimmy plays in the garden. In this sentence, the verb plays indicates an action in present which is going on. Verbs in simple past tense indicate action that happened in the past. In this case, the verb simply ends with ed. For example, Jimmy played in the garden. In this sentence, the verb played indicates an action in past which is completed. Verbs in simple future tense indicate an action that will happen in the future. In this case, the verb simply begins with will. For example, Jimmy will be playing in the garden. In this sentence, the verb will be playing indicates an action in future which has not started. Now, let's see a few more examples. Sun rises from the east. Here, the verb rises indicates an action in present which is going on. Jimmy planted beautiful saplings in the park. Here, the verb planted indicates an action in past which is completed. Jimmy will eat pizza after playing. Here, the verb will eat indicates an action in future which has not started. In this way, we have finished learning about different forms of verbs in different tenses. The different forms of verbs that show the time of the action are called tenses. In present, we say walk. In past, we say walked. In future, we say will walk. Scream, screamed, will scream. Learn, learned, will run. But there are some verbs that totally change in form when the tenses change. These verbs are called irregular. काही क्रियापदे ही त्यांचा काळ बदलला की त्यांचं रूप पूर्ण बदलतात. त्यांना आपण irregular verbs असे म्हणतो. Following are the examples. In present tense, we say run. In past tense, we say ran. And in future tense, we say will run. Eat, ate, will eat. teach, taught, will teach. These are the examples of irregular verbs. So, students, you write down the different forms of verbs in different tenses by referring the chapter in the textbook. Thank you.